So hello guys, welcome to another fresh video. In this video you will learn about how to use Midjourney to create outstanding AI images. Are you looking for a faster and more efficient way to generate high-quality, customized images for your projects? Look no further than Midjourney AI image generation. In this step-by-step tutorial for 2023, we'll show you how to harness the power of Midjourney to create an endless supply of stunning images that meet your specific needs. So let's start the video. At first go to Google and search for Midjourney. After click to the Midjourney website. After coming to the Midjourney website just click on Sign In. After click to the Sign In you will be redirected to the Discord account. Then click on Authorize. After coming to the Midjourney profile you will see all your Midjourney generated AI images. Now we will create a new AI image, so now just click to your username section and click on Go to Discord, because to create AI images you have to go to the Discord account. After coming to the Discord account you will see many of groups and channels. You can also create your own channel for your friends and family. Okay, now on left side you will two channels named Newbies 116 and Newbies 146. Now just click any one of them, you click unlimited images from there. Okay, right now you will see there are thousands of AI images people creating every seconds. You can also check what people are creating for their projects. As you can see, someone searched for superheroes doing household chores superhero life, and Midjourney just created an outstanding high-quality image for this. This is really wonderful that what you are trying to see Midjourney will generate your imagination into live images. So now we'll create a new image with these techniques. At first go to Type section and type Imagine prompt, then type what you want to see like. Just for fun I will write Imagine prompt Superman in the galaxy, and waiting for his new girlfriend. And hit enter. As you can see it is creating my image, and it's ongoing 33%, so this is not the final result, wait until it gets 100%. As you can see, this AI bot just generated an amazing image of what I want to see. It's created an image where it clearly shown that Superman is in galaxy, and waiting for his new girlfriend. This is really wonderful. So you can see there is an option you can select which version you like. For example, I like the first version of image, I click on the V1 version it will again show me the V1 means version 1. After that you will open the version in a new tab and save the image, that's it. With these method you will generate unlimited images for your projects. Whether you're a marketer, graphic designer, or just looking to incorporate AI images into your projects, this tutorial is for you. Revolutionize your image creation process and elevate your projects to the next level with Midjourney AI image generation. Revolutionize your image creation process and elevate your projects to the next level with Midjourney AI image generation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tutorials and tips.